Hey guys, it's Melanie and today we have a really exciting video. This is like a typical haul, I guess, but with a little like twist on it. I don't know, just a little. I decided to sit chill on the floor with you guys today, different like setting, just because I wanted to like mix things up a little. But today's video is gonna be not just a haul, but it is an unboxing haul. So these are my like real reactions or like first impressions to all of the items, and then when I show you the try on clips, because of course this is a try on haul, when I show you the clips, that's my first time trying on all the items. So like when I'm looking at them now, you'll see my reaction when I first see them, and then when I try them on, you'll also see like my reaction when I first try them on. Yeah, but other than that, let's get straight into it. Hey, this lighting is kind of whack. Oh dear. Okay, let's get this baddie opened. Also, shout outs to Princess Polly because they got this stuff here mega fast. It literally took like 2 days. Have no clue how they did that. Princess Polly is a brand I've heard about like a lot on YouTube. It's like a boutique, so it's like a little fancier, if you will. It's a shop I've always wanted to buy stuff from, but I never really did because I heard so many good things about it, so I've always been kind of intrigued, you know? Oh, you're supposed to cut away from yourself, aren't you? Oh well. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I see on top. Oh, I remember the first time I saw this like style of jacket, I thought it was kind of ugly, but it's kind of grown on me a lot, and when I saw it on the Princess Polly website, I was like, ooh, yeah. So this is just like a nice puffer, but it's kind of like a corduroy material, and it's like a tan color, which I really like. This feels like really good quality. It feels really puffy, so I am beyond excited to try this on. And I also like that it looks kind of cropped, and since I'm like a short gal, I think this will look good. I don't know how to style this, but I really like it so far. Okay, so this is the jacket. I have high hopes. I can see that it has like the little scrunchy thingies, if you know what I'm saying, which I really like because then you can like tighten the bottom. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, it's so warm. I was so cold. Okay, one thing is like the pockets are all the way up here, which is really weird. They also have the like pockets you have to rip. Should I do it now? I can't do it. Oh. There we go. Funny story, you know how they have the pockets that you're supposed to like rip open? I never knew you were supposed to rip them open. So it's just like how rude they like sew the pockets shut or give you like fake pockets. That's weird. You know how pockets are usually down here? These are like on your ribs, so you're like touching your ribs. But you know, it works for me, especially because I'm short. I love the color of this. I love the fit. And they also have this jacket in a bunch of different colors, I think. Okay, I'm gonna scrunch the little waist in. Oh, I dig this so much. And even with like a hoodie underneath, so you can like flare it out or zip it up. Oh, and I'm so warm. Freaking thumbs up. I love it. Next off, reaching in here, I got 2 pairs of jeans. They're both Levi's. I'm kind of nervous about these. I really hope they fit because I've been like, I really want some Levi's. These look like they'll fit me. These ones are in a 24 and they're like medium wash. They look like they'll fit. I really hope they do. These ones are wedgie straight. Wedgie, that doesn't sound too nice, but we'll see. The quality, of course, it's great. They look really nice. I just hope they fit because I suck and I never look at like the measurements or the sizes or whatever online, which I really should because that's kind of the point. And then these are the same size. They're 24s. Wedgie straight. Oh, it's the same thing, just in black. But I don't have any black jeans. I don't know if straight jeans are the same as like mom jeans, but I've been really into mom jeans, so it's kind of what I was going for. Okay, so these are the Levi jeans. These are in a size 24 and my waist is more like a 22 or a 23, but they stay up pretty well, which is really good. They're just a bit long. I can't get like the full length of my mirror, but they're like a bit long, which is expected, and they're like what's it called? Like straight cut, but I think I'm just gonna cuff them and they should be fine. And the other thing is, like, I'll just probably wear a belt. They're like they're pretty high-waisted. It goes up to like my belly button. And then one thing I didn't know is that they're like button up. I don't know if you can see it, but I didn't know that when I looked at the site. I thought they were just like a zipper. And usually I don't like the like button up style, but I kind of like them. I really like the fit and everything. They're like a little bit tighter than a mom jean, I would say, but they're like way looser than a skinny jean. And the waist, like as you can see, it's a little big, but I think I can totally make these work. I really, really like them. Next thing, reaching in here. Ooh, okay, so yes, it's the freaking middle of winter. Not even, it's, what month is it? It's December. Okay, so it's cold, whatever. And I decided to order a skirt. Too cute to pass up. Ain't this adorable? I just love the little preppy look. I just think this is so cute. And the fit of it looks really nice. I have no clue what this is called. If it's called like a trumpet skirt. I don't know, but I just really, really like it. It's really nice quality. I can already tell you all of the items from Princess Polly are super, super good quality. Okay, so here's the skirt. It's really great quality and super cute. It's just a little bit big on me. It goes to here, but I would want it to be like up, stay up a little more, just because I have like really short legs, you know what I'm saying? I love the preppy style. I would probably style it with, I think this would look really, really nice with like a sweater for the winter and then like some high over the knee boots or something like that. But it's so cute. The last clothing item that I got right here is this little cloth like sweater thing. Oh, I love this store. It's one of those places that's like, it's not like Forever 21, so they don't have like a million items, so it's like more refined and it's like easier to shop at. You just want to buy literally everything. I got this in a extra small and it's like off the shoulder and super cropped. Okay, here it looks weird, so I'm hoping it looks good on, but for starters, I love the quality, I love the color, I just hope it fits well. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my. This is like the fanciest top I own, to be honest. I freaking love this. Like, it's not too crazy cropped where it's just like a bra, but it's like cropped a perfect amount and it's like a quarter sleeve. Super, super good quality, and it's like, it stays up, which I was kind of surprised. I was worried it was just gonna like totally fall off my shoulders, but it stays up like the perfect amount where it shows off your collarbone real nice and it shows off like a bralette or some jewelry. But then it doesn't like fall off, and then the back is like revealing. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Heck, oh, I love this so much. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, and then a few more things. I got a pair of shoes and some accessories, so let's look at that. I'm gonna move this freaking box. Aww, they sent me a little note. I should have read the card first, sorry. I'm not trying to be a rude gal. I forgot. Okay. Good thing I read this. You use the code Melanie, you can get 20% off, which is a great deal. So make sure to check out their site, use the code, you know, amazing. So I got a pair of shoes, they're Vans.
I'm a skater girl, obviously.
So I just got some high top Vans and I'm super excited for these because I've been debating if I wanted high top Converse or high top Vans, and obviously I decided on the Vans. But, you know, I don't even know what else to say. I love them. Like, I just think they're, I don't know. Vans are like probably my fave shoes. They're so comfy, but they're also
real stylish.
Really, really excited for these. These would look great with my Levi's or with literally anything because they go with everything. Yeah. And then the last thing is packaged super nicely. They package everything really nice. But, it's just some accessories, and I had so much fun looking through the Princess Polly accessories because they had so much good stuff. I was struggling to decide what to get. Here's what I narrowed it down to. Oh. Okay, well, turns out I only got 2 things. I thought I got like 20 things, but Alright, so I got 2 necklaces. I've been super into layering necklaces, as you can see. I've also been really into gold jewelry. So first off, I got this pack. Like, it's I don't know, matched. Oh, I got 3 things. Okay. I really like this because it's like it's a set, but they're not connected. Because like sometimes when the necklaces are like connected, I like it because then it's like just you put it on and go. But then sometimes I like mixing and matching, if you know what I'm saying. That didn't sound so nice. You know, it's like a little... I don't know how to describe, okay? Okay, so this is the first jewelry set, and it's super cute. These 2 are separate, which I really like. But just styling it with something like this, I would totally see myself wearing it. The only bummer is one of the little like coins on the smaller necklace is missing, which I'm really sad about, but it's not too noticeable. Like, I'd still wear it, but I mean, I'm just kind of sad, but it still really completes the look. I love this style, and I think they're perfect pieces for like mixing and matching, and I think they look super great with bralettes. Going along with the coin thing, I got coin earrings, which I think is super cool because I know coin necklaces have been a thing, but I haven't really seen coin earrings. But I saw these on the site and I thought they were like the cutest little things. They look really good with like a slick pony or something like that. So that's these. They're so cool. Beautiful. Okay, so these are the earrings. Sorry that I was too lazy to take out my 20 other piercings that are silver. So they don't match right now. I wouldn't wear these together, but I really like how these look. My hair kind of covers it, so I would definitely wear these with like a low ponytail, something like this, or like a low bun. I don't know, something like that. I don't know, they make me look more put together, you know, here from far back. They're not too huge, which I really like because I'm not like a chunky earring person. The last necklace, I've seen this on like Instagram and stuff, and I remember the first time I saw it, I was like, oh,
I need that, man.
they had it on Princess Polly, so I decided to snatch it up. But this is a rose necklace. Oh my, okay, I'm just gonna talk through it because my neighbors are being rude right now. But it's just this dainty, like, actually it's not that dainty. This is longer and like bigger than I thought it would be, if you can tell. But I think it'll still look really nice once layered, and the rose looks really nice. Like, it looks pretty expensive. It's not super like tacky and cheap. This is the rose necklace. As you can see, it's a bit like bigger than like, I don't know what I personally imagined it was going to be like, but I still really like it. I just probably wouldn't wear it with a top like this. I would wear it with like a high neck top. Oh, that would look really cute. I think this would look really nice if I was wearing like a mock neck sweater or a high neck top and then I wore this. So ignore the outfit right now because it doesn't really go together, but nonetheless, it's really great quality. The gold is like this really nice like white, really light gold, so it doesn't look tacky at all. I just really dig it. So guys, I'm filming my outro obviously before I tried everything on, so I hope everything worked out. Yeah, but nonetheless, thank you so much, Princess Polly. I really love the quality and all the items offered on their site. So be sure to check out their site and use the code Melanie for 20% off. If you want to see how I styled these items, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all so much and see you in the next video. Bye!